In this example, we have a simple white logo on a black background. An easy way to remove a background such as this is to use the colour key option. In the effects panel, open Video Effects, Keying, or just search colour key in the search bar. Drag and drop the colour key effect onto your logo, select the logo by clicking on it, and open the effect controls. Under the colour key effect, click on the eyedropper. This will now mean your next click will select the colour which you want to remove. So in this example, we'll click on an area of black, as this will set that colour to be removed. Once the colour is selected, you may need to adjust the colour tolerance option to ensure the background is fully removed. You can also use the edge thin and edge feather options to neaten up your adjusted logo. To help a logo such as this stand out when it's placed on a video clip, you can use the drop shadow effect. On a white logo such as this, a subtle black drop shadow can really help.